eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganiri erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asoge na indi omwanchi umurigeria ya Getembe Television Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi nchani kwanguru kwa Ruth Morara Wilson Makori koria senchira yebi manyerero na aya tekire omo wizara omo waziri bobo koreri bwaime nigo abutirwe abo asomo omuraibu ensara achikokora obonjoreri asichi wizara ao togo chaka egati aba MC korwase county ya Nyamira nigo bae murunganire chisegie chio cyanyarire ko bakikokorekana mo naba MCA abo aseba bagikire bokongu abarai bali bakunyara ko babwesona ni ase chisegie chio nigo bamugikire bokongu omo jumbe bwe bunge ya omo jumbe Steven Mogaka asogwesona ni chisegie chio aseba tebire muna nero genderete kubeka ebigenga ase chisegie chio chiranira magendero maiga
kero muchachi Nyamira agoteba buna justice ya chakire kwa compromise neji politician chigo kwanera igoro ya mahakama bobe mosongwanero mu bungo West Mogirango kurukuna Steven Mogaka kero Steve kwabwete chikura okairu kotini egwa chagete korera koti na tiga koti egayane ae na mosinto moturi buna noroi obwete chikura chenu iniri koti ega declare buna Steve Mogaka nere omochumbo West Mogirango ondeta yo andamanete ondeta yo ramete mochachi ondeta yo jete Judicial Service Commission achigosoere koti buna ya ruri bobe na inche naigwete naande ngaigube sana kero monta agotebana na Steve Mogaka na acharete amani Nyamira yet nere participate nene ase chisegi chigenderete Nyamira yaito anje atigane assembly ya Nyamira ayetigane pi onye gataite kobo mo MC West Mogirango achore ward aranyare kobori chikura kurwororo abo mo MC
ndutu arosire na nduta etimanga nayo onye kwegune ngano taetekero gekegeke ekegieto tobwatega tokona kubwatira ento konya bana inchi baminto twakwariganiri genda bonya matuta ward genda obishe no mweshimo orore gose no nyoro no ni Ikomi otherwise abante barosire nae ebataete bakoroke mbuna rende tokona kobera rende nga ya mbegogi na barakoroka omogimo osirerense otherwise igonta etente no morembe no muya abantu baminto na inde Steven Mogaka tigasika abangina takona koroka abangina o abangina baria na chino minichiri abangina atiga manganayo ngina no mongina omongina no mongina na abana bae amshua na bwata abana abanyaroka tiganga asika abangina na barabumba chorire babwaterere nafasi gete society yetu asayo amange tigo morembo baroro nitubune timu kwenye tore bunge mashinani toka enderete there is nothing.
Tunataka kukwambia kwamba tafadhali wewe ni mtu umesoma na kuheshimu sana, wacha masomo ifanye kazi, usitangulishe oboiri nkwaneke usiabu oboiri. Tunajua kwamba unayetetea katika county assembly Duke Onyari ni relative wako.
Chinga kichinya gitari chiri chikoragwa n'iki kanisa kigenderete kurwa okogosereria guchigutika kwena n'ubugwenia inse yo murubirio sha nigo enya gitari eri ya highway sanctuary egotoka Kajiado County yaenekire gocha kwena na ubugwenia inse yo murubirio yosha bakoragwa amo no munyagitari omonene bwenyagitari yo okorukwa Ruto Sagwe.
Mimi ni director wa highway sanctuary Matasia. Sisi tunahudumia watu wa Matasia na kila mahali hapa Kajiado, na hospitali yetu inatoa services. Tunatumia cash kwa sasa na our services are subsidized according to the church policy, na kwamba watu wote ambao wanahitaji matibabu feel free to come, kwa sababu sisi our services tunapeana 24 hours, hatufungi hospitali. Kama kanisa tunaamini ya kwamba watu wote we have to preserve life, and that is why unaona ya kwamba sisi tunahudumia wagonjwa wetu wakati wowote bila matishi kutisha ya kufunga. Hatuwezi funga hospitali. Tunaomba ya kwamba kama kuna mtu ambaye anahitaji specialized services wakuja hapa Matasia Highway Sanctuary na mtahudumiwa kama kawaida, na mjue ya kwamba our services we give quality services which are acceptable internationally according to the rules that are given in the hospital.
Omorai wense ya Kenya nigorero akore bikaro n'abarai koru ase chinsemo cha Western elio kwenekia amagendere mense ya Kenya.
Ningependa kuwashukuru kwa sababu ya vile tumeshirikiana. Over the last couple of months we have brought different teams together, and because we have brought different teams together, under the broad-based arrangement, we are making steady progress in the right direction. Because we have brought different teams together, and because we have brought different teams together, under the broad-based arrangement, we are making steady progress in the right direction. We are making steady progress in the right direction. Specifically, the items I thought I should mention to you as people's representatives, and areas that you need to focus so that we can use the infrastructure of government to drive the development of our country. Over the last couple of months, we have brought different teams together. And because we have brought different teams together under the broad-based arrangement, we are making steady progress in the right direction. Specifically, the items I thought I should mention to you as people's representatives and areas that you need to focus so that we can use the infrastructure of government to drive the development of our country.
Chingaki oborai abarai bagendrete bali bako chingaki obonengi bagendrete asa abarai bali bakurigia obonyakerogo ase kyombekeri kyabacholi kyabacholi ne chimbebeke bagendrete nigo omosubati Lilian Wanjiku lero aikirana ase selection panel eliko onengiwa.
You recall, for example, since 2013, we have had serious challenges to election results, especially results for the presidential elections in 2013, 2017. I would like to start by asking you to tell this selection panel and Kenyans who are watching you if you are aware of the IEBC election results management framework, what it is, and what it is used for.
What I'm aware about is the digital system that allows transmission of results from polling stations to the national tallying station. That is, I don't know whether that is what you are referring to.
Yes, that is part of it. Actually, it's an entire framework that helps the IEBC count election results, tabulate those election results, transmit those election results, collate, tally, and announce, and it even features the declaration of the election results. But we know that different results are declared in different places. Would I be right to say that?
Yes, it is true. But
can you elaborate a little bit?
Okay. We have counting of results at the polling station. Then they are transmitted to the constituency tallying station, again where there is the tallying takes place, and then to the constituency called county tallying station. The presidential results is transmitted directly from the polling stations to the national tallying station through the electronic system.
Thank you very much, Wakili. Where is the election of the president concluded?
Waziri bobolendi boime omosike Kipchumba Murkomen nigolero akole bikaro nabo bisabo bolendi elio koene kia chinchira barachi koene kyo bolendi mense ya Kenya.
From the Ministry and the National Police Service to have this roundtable. The National Police Service is a key pillar of our nation's security and a fundamental institution in upholding the rule of law. I actually like what Ambassador Rieta said about the National Police and this is really one of those quotes that we must continue reflecting on, that trust in the police is the trust in the government. And that is extremely, it is simple but very powerful. In any case, as a lawyer, the first lesson you learn in constitutional law is that government exists to protect citizens and its people. And protection is security. So the trust of the citizens under the social contract principle of donating their power to the government is actually as a result of security, and security is us. And therefore, that is a very profound statement. Therefore, safe and
abateneneli b'eki university ya serikali bakuragwa amona bali batenete ki university ya JKUAT amona Kenyatta nigolero batwara chingaki chinkongu bosibuye kamati y'ebunge elietenete kisemi elikwere koanakia obotumeki bw'ekibesa ase ki university ekyo.
That must stop and adhere to the policy, on research grants. Yeah, and we still find that the finance office is incompetent.
CS for Treasury and CS for Education to genuinely look not at just JKUAT, but all the universities that are in the red, so that we are able to see how they can be raised.
Wekirabo omwanchi umurigerio Getembe TV ni gondo chenga ekaramu Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi yaire wino nande ngusaba tubekire gabo getone ncheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Morara Wilson makorikorwa senchira yebimanyererio Wilfred Matundura korwa sense okoene kyabuna chibichana Mario gingo wekirabire igabo asole.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia yechigeche merongibire na isano na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile mat MRM ni kubabwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe gwe mabwate yiga nigo bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicu wakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Usi,